Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart and staying for all the lunches with the students today. We had two separate assemblies, grades K through 6, and it was a beautiful time getting to share my heart with them. And the main message was bullying, but looking at someone's heart first and foremost before anything else, seeing someone like you see your own best friend. And that once we start to do that, that we're able to hopefully encourage people that may be born different than us or come from a different background, that we still look past anything on the outside and see them for who they are in their hearts. Our heart is big as our fist. We talked about the need to let compassion, respect, kindness, empathy fully enter our heart so we can turn this into this. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is ourselves, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. And also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart for the rest of their life, or so mean that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So we know that we have a choice, that no matter what we've been through or are going to go through, that we can turn the main reason that people don't show this love and kindness, which is that hurt people, into healed people who heal people. And that this kindness, this love is so vital, it's so needed in this world today. And these students to understand this at a young age is huge. And to know that they can be the light to someone's heart, to help them remind not only themselves but someone else that they're worth everything. We talked about the M in all of our palms. M for miracle, like it has on my shirt here, and upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, that all of us deserve love. And the one story I always share about a student that thought that his M originally had stood for mistake, from being called that we know that's someone else's opinion. Not every opinion matters. What matters is what we believe and what our best friends believe, and that we focus on that, right? Try to rise above the hatred, to show that love, to hopefully heal not only our heart but somebody else's along the way. And it was just really cool because just hearing some of the stories today at lunch and the one-on-one conversations with these students, a lot of them said that, you know, they were close to tears, or, you know, cried a few tears. And I say tears are strength, the sweat of our strength, and the start of healing and feeling again. And they were finally starting to feel and finally starting to see that someone like myself, you know, that can touch someone's heart in under an hour through these assemblies, and now they can go out and live that change and be that change that Gandhi talks about for this planet, a famous peacemaker, to go and spread that light. Dr. King always said darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can do that. And the same with hate can't drive it out, only love can do that. So we make sure that we choose love. You guys are beautiful. Thank you so much for touching my heart. As always, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get updates on videos like this. Make sure you hit the subscribe button that you'll see pop up on the screen, along with checking out some other amazing videos through the playlist here, and my website to learn more about my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Much love. Peace.